Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Ingrid and this is Average Ing. Previously I was thinking through what would be the content that I produced if I wanted to produce content, and I found myself kind of in the middle of a lot of things. I'm not particularly extraordinary at everything, but at the same time, I put a lot of effort into things that I try, so I end up somewhere in the middle. And I feel like there's a lot of people that can relate to that. So this channel is all about that. It's about trying things that can go from baking to crafts to cooking of certain sorts. I honestly don't know everything that's in store. I hope to be able to put out content that people can relate to, that's authentic and real, um, and and just be that voice that really amplifies the fact that you don't have to be extraordinary at everything, at anything. It's okay to just kind of be in the middle, and and I hope that this channel really communicates that. So thanks so much. I hope you'll come back to watch what I put out. Thanks.